Hello students, today we are going to discuss about another important problem in bank reconciliation statement chapter. Dear students, so far we have learnt problems as per positive balance, that may be cash book or passbook. Now we are going to learn overdraft method, that is overdraft balance as per cash book. And after working out two problems under this method, we are going to work out problems as per overdraft balance as per passbook. So now we are going to work out problems as per cash book overdraft balance. Okay. Now we shall go to problem. Okay, student, this is the problem. On 31st March 2021, the cash book of Ramakrishna showed an overdraft current account balance of 12,000. With the help of following information, prepare bank reconciliation statement and show the balance as per passbook. So, manaku cash book prakaram ivvadam jarigindi, overdraft balance as per cash book, and we have to find out balance as per passbook. Okay, students. So these are the important points we have to consider while preparing balance bank reconciliation statement, and we shall work out one by one, dear students. Okay, right. So dear students, out of the two checks issued to Ramesh, one for rupees 1,000 and another for rupees 1,250, the check for 1,250 was cash only on 10th April. So students, the cutoff date is 31/3/2021. In the లోపల జరిగిన transactions మాత్రమే మనం ఎంటర్ చేసుకోవాలి. So regarding this problem, only 1,000 has been entered in both books as on 31/3/2021. 1,000 rupees మాత్రమే క్యాష్ బుక్ లోను పాస్ బుక్ లోను 1000 రూపాయలు ఎంటర్ అయింది. మిగతాది ఎంటర్ కాలేదు. దాన్ని మాత్రమే మనం చూసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, చెక్స్ ఇష్యూడ్ అంటే క్యాష్ బుక్ లో ఏమవుతుంది, బ్యాంక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ క్రెడిట్ అవుతుంది, అంటే 1,250 ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ చేసుకుంటాం. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద బ్యాలెన్స్ యాజ్ పర్ క్యాష్ బుక్, డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్? 12,000. And opposite to we are going to write that in opposite side of passbook. Okay, so this is the transaction. So, and we are not going to consider this because that has been entered both in cash book and passbook as per the data. So that's why we are not entering. Now the problem is only with this amount 1,250. Okay, so when the check is issued, we credit the cash book bank column account. Here that has been cashed only on 10th April, and we are preparing the problem up to 31 March 2021. Okay, so dear students, before 31st March 2021, 1,250 has been entered in cash book. Here not entered, that we have to take. So 12,000 and 10,750. This is carry down balance, and again we will take it as a brought down 10,750. So now we have to compare. The cash book balance is 10,750 and passbook is 12,000. What should we do, dear students? We are doing the problem as per cash book, isn't it? So yes, as per cash book 10,750 we are showing. So if you want to, when we compare cash book with passbook shows higher balance, and we are doing the problem as per cash book. What should we do?
Add
cheyali. But dear students, we are doing it as an overdraft balance. So when we are doing that as overdraft means we have to take the decision as opposite one. So the answer is add. We are doing the problem as per OD method. So we have to less it. This is the decision. Okay, students, have you understood the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now, first we will first enter the 12,000 balance in the column. That is balance as per balance, OD balance. Oh. Okay, students. OD balance means OD balance means overdraft balance as per cash book 12,000 and we give some gap here like this less. Okay, what is the decision here? Less. So checks issued but not collected. Checks issued but not collected before 31/3/2021. So the amount is 1,250, dear students. Okay, that's all. That is the decision. So okay, right. Add OD less. Add in case of positive balance, but we are doing the problem under overdraft balance. So we have to less it. We have to take the opposite decision. Okay, students. A wrong credit 150 relating to some other account was found in passbook. Dear students, this is cash book, passbook, 12,000 on debit side and 12,000 on credit side. Okay. Wrong debit of 150 means, wrong credit of 150 means, so mistakenly it has been credited here. So now the cash book balance shows 12,150. So when you compare with cash book shows less balance, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what we have to do, as the cash book shows less balance, we have to add, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But we are doing it under overdraft balance method. So the final decision will be opposite to add. That is equal to
Less.
so wrong credit in passbook 150. Wrong credit in passbook. Wrong credit. Okay, students. Next. Out of checks, dear students, out of 3 checks deposited in bank for collection on 21st March, 1,250, 1,750, 2,250. The check for rupees 1,250 alone was collected by 31st March. So the remaining 1,750, 2,250, that comes to 4,000. This amount has not been collected before 31st March. That we have to take into consideration. Checks deposited means cash book. The bank account will be debited. Okay, 4,000. Passbook before 31st March, these two amount that comes to 4,000 has not been credited because that has not been collected by our bank. Okay, so 12,000 will be remain there. So dear students, here the cash book shows 16,000, the passbook shows 12,000. So we are doing the problem as per cash book. So cash book shows higher balance or lower balance?
Higher balance.
Higher balance. So what we have to do when it is compared with passbook?
Less.
Have to less, isn't it? Okay. But we are doing as per OD. What should we do then?
Add.
Right. We have to add the amount. Got it? Okay, now students.
Yes,
right. So, dear students, checks issued, checks deposited but not collected. So the total amounts, what is the total amount? 1,750 plus 2,250. That comes to 4,000. Okay. Okay, students. Next. So here there are debits. Cash book, passbook, 12,000s, 12,000s. Debits on passbook, 375 interest on OD, 125 bank charges in the passbook. So passbook lo interest ఓడి మీద వడ్డీ కావచ్చు లేదా బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ కావచ్చు మనకి ఇచ్చినట్టుగానే మన ఖాతాను డెబిట్ చేస్తారు. అంటే 375 125 టోటల్ 500 డెబిట్ చేస్తారు. సో అప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మనకు ఇక్కడ 11,500 క్యారీ డౌన్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, 11,000 క్యారీడ్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ కమ్స్ టు 12,000 బ్రాడ్ డౌన్ 11,500 అవుతుంది. సో దీంతో పోల్స్తాం మనం. పోల్చినప్పుడు ఏ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఏది ఎక్కువ చూపిస్తున్నది?
క్యాష్ బుక్స్.
క్యాష్ బుక్ ఎక్కువ చూపిస్తున్నది. క్యాష్ బుక్ ఎక్కువ చూపిస్తున్నది అంటే మనము ఏం చేయాలి? రూల్ ప్రకారం పాజిటివ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఓడి ప్రకారం కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేయాలా. సో అంటే బ్యాంక్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ ఓడి అండ్ బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ ఆర్ డెబిటెడ్ ఇన్ పాస్బుక్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, interest on OD, bank charges, debited in passbook only. Total 500. Etla ante that is equal to 375 plus 125. Okay, students. Next. The passbook showed that bank had collected 2,000 as interest on government securities. This has been omitted in the previous working out of the problem. Now I have added that. Cash book, passbook, 12,000s. Okay. So interest on securities, government securities means our account will be credited in the passbook. So that shows 14,000s. When you compare with the cash book is showing less balance, 12,000s only. What shall we do, dear students? If we are doing as a positive balance, we shall add. But we are doing it as per OD balance. So we should less it. Okay. So interest on government securities credited in passbook only. Interest on government securities in passbook only. Okay. Next, students, bills receivable. Bills receivable 3,000 discounted with the bank, but dishonored on 30th March and was debited in passbook only. So cash book, passbook, 12,000s. Okay, this has been debited in passbook only means we are going to write that on debit side of passbook. So that comes to 12,000s, 9,000s carried down and brought down 9,000s. And now we compare this. So the balance as per cash book is 12,000s and it is more than passbook balance, isn't it? What should we do if it is a positive balance?
Less.
But we are doing it as per OD balance. So
add.
So bills receivable dishonored. Bills receivable dishonored entered in PB only, 3,000s. Okay, students, the payment side of cash book has been under cast. And the artham enti? Cash book 12,000s, passbook 12,000. Under cast ante takku chupicharu ante ekku chupicharu ane kada artham.
Yes sir.
అంటే అప్పుడు 12,075 అవుతుంది. పోలుస్తాం మనం. పోల్చినప్పుడు క్యాష్ బుక్ ఏమనిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ?
క్యాష్ బుక్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది సార్.
ఎక్కువ ఉంది అంటే యాక్చువల్ గా లెస్ చేయాలి మనం కదా. ఓడి
sir.
ప్రకారం చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి
యాడ్ చేయాలి సార్.
రైట్ అది. సో క్యాష్ బుక్ హాస్ బీన్ అండర్ క్యాస్ట్. క్యాష్ బుక్ has been under caste 75. Okay students, next చూడండి. A check for ₹375 drawn in his saving account has been shown as drawn on current account in cash book. Dear students, ఇది చిన్న పదం లేకపోవడం వల్ల అప్పుడు లేట్ అయింది. Cash book, passbook 12,000 shown అంటే has been shown as drawn account in cash book అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఇక్కడ క్యాష్ బుక్ క్రెడిట్ లో చూపించింటారు. ఎందుకంటే సేవింగ్ అకౌంట్ లో దాన్ని మన కరెంట్ అకౌంట్ లో చూపించారంట. అంటే క్యాష్ బుక్ లో క్రెడిట్ చేసింటారు. డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు విత్డ్రా చేసినప్పుడు అమౌంట్ బయటికి పోతుంది కదా. ఓకే 12,000. ఈ పాయింట్ అర్థమైందా శ్రావణి?
ఎస్ సార్, అర్థమైంది సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో 12,000 లో 375 పోతే 11,625 క్యారీ డౌన్. తర్వాత బ్రాడ్ డౌన్ ఏమో బ్రాడ్ డౌన్. సో బ్రాడ్ డౌన్ ఇక్కడ 11,625 ఉంటుంది. దీంతో పోల్స్తాం మనం. పోల్చినప్పుడు క్యాష్ బుక్ ఏం లెస్ చూపిస్తుందా, తక్కువ చూపిస్తుందా, ఎక్కువ చూపిస్తుంది? తక్కువ చూపిస్తుంది. రూల్ ప్రకారం అయితే యాడ్ చేయాలి, అంటే పాజిటివ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ప్రకారం అయితే. కానీ మనం ఓడి ప్రకారం చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి?
లెస్ చేయాలి సార్.
లెస్ చేయాలా. సో చెక్ డ్రాన్ wrongly entered in current account instead of saving account. ఇది okay students, last one, right? Dividend of the amount of 1,250 has been paid directly into the bank. So dividend, cash book, passbook, 12,000. పాస్బుక్ లో ఏమైంటది? మన పెట్టుబడుల మీద వచ్చిన మొత్తాన్ని మనం ఇచ్చినట్టుగానే మన ఖాతాని ఏం చేస్తారు? క్రెడిట్ చేస్తారు. సో 13,250 అవుతుంది పాస్బుక్ లో. ఇక్కడ 12,000 అట్లే ఉంటుంది. సో మనం క్యాష్ బుక్ ప్రకారం చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి తక్కువ ఉందా ఎక్కువ ఉందా? క్యాష్ బుక్ తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేయాలా. కానీ ఓడి ప్రకారం చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి?
లెస్ చేయాలి.
లెస్ చేయాలి. సో డివిడెండ్ entered in PB only 1,250. Okay, this is the problem, dear students, and now we shall work out, we shall total this. So that total amount is equal to 4 plus 3, 7,575. Is it right? 7,500.
Yes, sir.
So 19,575. Okay, students. Dear students, now we shall total these 1, 2, 4, 4,000s. So 4,000s, 4,500, 250, 250, 4,650, 4,650 plus 10,000 total చూడండి.
5,020.
Okay, students, when we add up these, that comes to 5,025. So now from this amount should be deducted. So 5 lo 5 with a 0, 7 lo 2 with a 5, right? 5 lo 0 with a 5, and here okay 9 lo 5 with a 4, 1, 14,550. So OD balance as per passbook, right? Is this right answer, dear student?
Yes, sir.
మన ఆన్సర్ లో చెప్పినట్టుగానే వచ్చింది కదా. ఒకటి ప్రాబ్లం ఒకటి చేయకపోవడం వల్ల అది వచ్చినది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. See you tomorrow at same time. Bye.